Have you ever played Sudoku? And have you ever got frustrated by the level of complexity that Sudoku holds? What if there could be a simpler alternative, a simpler puzzle which is similar to Sudoku but it is more fun to play? So today I brought in front of you a game called Queen's Ultimate. It is more simpler version. I'll explain you how to play that. And if you go to this website called Queen's Ultimate, you can find this game. So I'll just tell you the rules, and I'll tell you how to play it. So we will have a grid of 4x4, 5x5 up to 10x10. So you need to place a queen in every of the row, every column, and one queen for every color. That's it. And see, we have only one color left, so definitely we need to place a queen here. And if you place a queen, one more rule is that you can't place any queen in its row, in its column, also any cells neighboring to that queen. So these were the rules. So that's it. With this, it will be so simple that you can try playing it. So let's see how we can solve this. So for this column, the red has to get a queen in one of these two cells. So we can't place any queens here. And blue has only this column left, so we can't place any queens here. Then the strategy has to be, so now queens, if you see the green column, green is occupying the column, so I can't place any queen in this, because if I place a queen here, I can't place any queen in the greens. So that is the rule. So I can't place a queen here. So I'm marking it as X. So let's see what else we can do. And one trick will be, we can see the common neighbors of the cells. So if you find in this column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, column number 5, we have only 3 options left, and this cell is a common neighbor to all the 3 cells, so we can't place a queen here. Also for these 3 cells, this is a common neighbor, we can't place a queen here. So in this way, we need to eliminate cells where we can't place queens, and then so that we'll get only few cells left. Let's just continue playing it. Let's see can we solve it. Only 2 options for red. Violet has still 3 options left. Now there is a trick to eliminate other colors by comparing the existing colors. If you find from rows 1, 3 and 4, rows 1, 3 and 4 are occupied by the red, blue and green cells. So in these 3 rows, we will only get red, green and blue colors only. So we can't place any queens in this white row. So for these 3 rows, anyway the second row is occupied by this queen anyway. So first row, third row and fourth row are occupied by these 3 colors. So I will eliminate this row from the white. So I have only one color left for white. Similarly, I have only one cell left for violet, and if I see, now I can eliminate blue from here, because row 1 and 3 are occupied by red and green now. So I can't place any queens in the blue. So I have only one option left for blue, that solves for red, that solves for green, and we have solved the puzzle. And that simple it is. So you can start playing it. Just try to play the game. It has daily mini puzzles, max, and also there is an unlimited puzzle also, where you can choose the size of the grid, also the difficulty. Let me choose easy with 5 by 5. Let's see how it will go. See, in this we can only place, we can eliminate this one. With this I can eliminate this, and white has only one row left, so I can eliminate these two. So I have solved for violet. Now I have only 2 options for blue. I am eliminating this row. Now if you see, in the first 2 columns are occupied by orange and green. So I can't place any queens in this white columns. So I have only one option left for white, orange and green. Solved. Yeah, for the blue as well. We have solved the puzzle. Let's try one more. So in this way, when you start to play, your mind will, what do you call that? It forms a pattern so that it recognizes and solves the puzzles easily. So now I started playing 9 by 9 hard mode. I have started playing it from a recent days only, and also I found this game in LinkedIn as well. You can also find the game in LinkedIn. You can play there also. You will get a daily puzzle in LinkedIn. In our channel yesterday I have played from the LinkedIn. It's a hard puzzle. It's interesting. You can also go and check it out. So here the orange is occupying this column completely, and the blue is occupying this column. So we have only one option left for white. And then also I'll tell you one more trick here. For these 2 cells, this orange cell is a common neighbor, because if you place a queen here, you can't place a queen in any of these 2 cells. So I'll mark it as X. So I have only one option left. Now only one option, and green one option, and then we have solved for it. Let's try a medium one. 5 by 5. I am going with 5 by 5 medium. So we have only 2 options left. So now these 2 cells, this one and these 2 are a common neighbors. We can't place any queens in these 2 cells because of these 2 cells. Also for these 2 cells, this row can't be filled. Now if you see, for these 2 rows, violet and blue are occupying, so I can't place anything here. If you find from row 3, 1, 2, 3, row 3, we have only 2 options left, green and white. So the common neighbor, this blue is a common neighbor for these 2 cells. So you can see that, right? If you can observe that, that is enough. Because if I place a queen here, I can't place anything in this row. So that violates the rule. So I can't place a queen here. So I am marking it as X. So for blue, we have only 2 options left. This row is occupied by blue. So we have only one option left for violet, then green, and done. So in this way, you can solve puzzles. You can hop onto this website called Queen's Ultimate and you can start playing. Please solve puzzles.